I'm on the road for work, and I decided to stop at one of the coolest places in the state of Washington. Sorry if my eyes don't do the best at looking at the lens here. It's a little bit dark out. I'm actually kind of surprised it's looking this nice. But this is, I believe this was the largest or one of the largest dams in the United States up until, I don't know, a few decades ago or something. It's not the biggest anymore, but it was really big for a while. I guess it's still really big. Here, let me flip around the camera just a second. So that is the, oh wow, that looks amazing. That actually looks really, it's a lot darker than it appears. I have it on low light mode, and it's a lot larger than it appears. This is kind of the whole dam complex. The whole dam complex, how do you like that? But it's night, I think it's 5 p.m. or something out, so it's solidly dark. Um, but let me switch back here. Yeah, like I said, this is one of the coolest places. I've actually never seen it at night. So this is the first time I've ever seen it in the dark or close to the dark. It has that really just massive hunk of concrete in the dark look to it. So anyway, just kind of a quickie here. I couldn't resist showing it. I don't usually go places like this. I go lots of places, but they're not usually this cool. So anyway, I hope you guys kind of enjoy a quick look at some of the other things that I interact with. So thanks for watching.